In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the opening to the very cool Undone, the sweater song by Weezer. My name is Brandon. This is MyPOVGuitar. I help you learn the guitar from your point of view. This makes learning faster and easier. Okay, so we're going to get into Undone, the sweater song, and I'm going to teach this in standard tuning. The actual song, the guitars are tuned differently. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to tune your guitar if you want to play along with the actual song. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is basically variations of a C, a G, a C, and a D chord, okay? We're not gonna worry about the name, the exact name. I'm just gonna tell you where to put your fingers and how to play this thing. Quick refresher, we number our strings 6 down to 1, okay? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you hear me say the 6th string, that's the top string. First string is the bottom string. We number our fingers. I'm going to show you chord diagrams to help you know where to place your hands. The chord diagram is basically 3 frets of the fretboard, the strings, and then the numbers are your fingers. Your fingers are numbered 1, 2, 3 for your ring, and 4 for the pinky, okay? So it's a road map of where to place your fingers. So what you're going to do for the first chord, you're going to take your 2nd finger, your middle finger, on the top string, 3rd fret, that G note there. You're going to take your 1st finger, your index finger, you're going to go down to the 4th string. So you're bypassing that 5th string, and you're going to fret on the 2nd fret with your 1st finger, there. Then you're going to take your ring finger or your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 3rd string, okay? There's only 2 shapes in this chord progression, okay? There's 3 chords, but 2 shapes. This is the first one. And this is the one that might take a little bit more time because we're gonna pick these individually, plus the open 2nd string, we're gonna bypass that. So with your right hand, you're gonna have to go 6th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Okay, that's all that is. Okay, so it's like an arpeggio. You're just plucking each string. And in the song, you only go through that once before you change. Okay, so after you go through it once, the next thing, you're just gonna drop that middle finger, your 2nd finger, down to the 5th string. So where you were bypassing that 5th string for now, that's gonna be where you start. Everything else stays the same. So there, you're starting with the 5th. Okay? We're 2/3 of the way there as far as our shapes or our actual chords. Then you're going to slide this shape up 1, 2. So now that middle finger, that 2nd finger, is now on the 5th fret. You should have a dot there. That's kind of a marker, so you can slide. Okay? And you do the same thing as you did back here, 5th string, plucking. Okay? So it went from okay? Back. And then it starts over. We'll show the left hand during that whole progression now. That's it. Okay, so if you want to play along to the actual recording by Weezer, they're tuned down a half step. So what that means is on the 6th string, the top string, that's going to be a D sharp. Tune that to D sharp instead of E. The 5th string, the next down, is G sharp. The 4th string is C sharp. The next string down is F sharp. A sharp for the 2nd string, and another D sharp for the 1st string. If you want one-on-one help from me, or if you want to take our beginner course, it's the cost of 2 local lessons. You get 54 lessons at MyPOVGuitar.com. Check out the link in the comments and in the description. Until then, I'll see you in the next lesson.